Crafty Amy! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you one of my top favorite Sephora items. And I guess some of them would be considered like must-haves, but I think most of them are like my favorite things that I love. Just so you know, I do work at a Sephora, but they didn't tell me to do this video or anything. Just whenever I'm passionate about something, I really want to share it. The first product I want to share is for the hair, and it's to keep it healthy, and it's the Alterna CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. It says it perfects hair in 10 different ways for complete moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and light hold. That's like so many things. When I first got at work, I got like a little one, and then this is like my second time buying the huge bottle. It's so worth it. It makes your hair so healthy feeling, shiny, and whenever I tried other leave-in conditioning products, it'll weigh your hair down or feel kind of weird. But after you put it on, it's like you didn't put anything, but not like in a bad way, but more like it doesn't feel heavy, but your hair feels softer, shinier, and I like that it has UV protection, because just like we put sunscreen on our skin, our hair needs health to be protected too, so that's a cool thing. Not a lot of hair products have that. And since we're on the subject of hair, my favorite hairspray that I love to get at Sephora is the Living Proof Flex Shaping Hairspray. And I like this stuff because it really holds like the fullness of your hair, like whenever you tease it, and it doesn't feel like sticky or like crunchy or anything. It really feels lightweight, and it really holds like the fullness. Any Living Proof products smells really good. Next thing, skincare. I love a lot of things from Sephora in the skincare section, but I don't want to make this video too long, so I have like 3 products that I'll show you that are my favorite. My favorite moisturizer that I've been loving is the Origins A Perfect World SPF 40 Age Defense Moisturizer with White Tea. Even though you're not going to be in the sun all day, it's really important to wear sunscreen, so whenever I put this on, I like the feeling because it doesn't feel like you're putting on sunscreen, and it's really hydrating, so that's why it's my favorite. The next 2 things are kind of similar, but they're both so good, I almost like them equally. So both of these are makeup removers, and this one is the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and the next one is Josie Maran Argan Cleansing Oil. And these are both good like oil texture makeup removers. So the Green Clean comes in a solid form, and you just use a little spatula to scoop some out, and then you rub it on your face when your face is dry, and it just melts all the makeup off. And in the same way with the Josie Maran, you put it on your dry face, melt off the makeup, and you wash them off. And they both don't leave that oily texture, but your skin does feel hydrated. And they're both really good with ingredients. They're not tested on animals. No parabens, more like natural ingredients. That's why I like both, and they both take off the makeup so well. That's why I like both of them equally, and they're so similar, except this one's more this is like oil form, and this one comes in a solid like balm and then turns to oil with the warmth of your skin. So yeah, they're both good if you want to take off all the layers of makeup you've been wearing all day. Now to the makeup. This next product is a foundation, and it's one of my top favorite foundations. Whenever I'm at work, I sell this foundation like hotcakes. And it's the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation, and this is a liquid foundation. This foundation is transfer proof, waterproof, and I like the feeling when you put it on because it's full coverage, but it doesn't feel or look like it doesn't look like full coverage, like the thickness of it, but it smooths out all your skin. Oh, and it has papaya enzyme and bamboo extract, so it's gonna help brighten up and exfoliate the skin. Like I said, this foundation is transfer proof, and the cool thing is that it really is transfer proof. When I put on like my clothes, or you know, if you hug someone, it doesn't get on your clothes. The next thing is a primer, and it's by Becca. It's the Backlight Priming Filter. And I like this primer because it really gives a nice sheen to your skin beneath like your foundation that you wear. And it really has that glow within. Whenever you wear the Backlight primer under any foundation, it has that really glowy look to it without looking over the top. The next two things I always wear together, and it's the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara with the Too Faced Veteran Sex Waterproof Mascara. So I have to curl my eyelashes, and whenever I curl my eyelashes, if I wear like a regular mascara, it'll just weigh down and the curl will go away. So I have to wear waterproof, so this is the one I've been liking. Oh yeah, oh sorry, I just remembered something else that I need to put in my favorites. Which I'll tell you in a moment. But whenever I wear the waterproof mascara, it really holds the curl and doesn't go anywhere. And then after I put this on, I only like to put it at the top, the waterproof one, and then the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, I put like more focused on the ends, the tips of your lashes at the top, because it really gives that lengthening look. It really extends like your lashes. It has aero particles, so I think that's what's gonna give like the fiber effect. And then I like to put it on my bottom lashes, this one only, because it really makes them look longer and really makes the whole eye look complete with when you put this at the bottom. The other thing I forgot to mention is the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum, and this stuff really helped my lashes grow compared to how they were before. You put it on every night like a top eyeliner, and you really see the difference in 2 weeks when it's a 3-month treatment. This one's a small size that my work gave me, but the one that you buy in the store comes bigger, like twice the size. The next thing is a must-have for the lips, and it's the Sephora Collection Liquid Lip Stains. And these are my favorite because they don't feel drying on the lips. But I always wear lip balm no matter what because you need to hydrate your lips. But I always wear that under the Sephora lip stains, and they don't feel drying at all. And the colors are so nice and vibrant. My favorite everyday color is number 13, Marvelous Mauve. And then my pop of color favorite red is the Sephora, of course Sephora, number 1, Always Red. Yeah, that's a popular one. And then they came out with new ones. So they came out with metallic ones, and then they came out with like a bunch of colors. And this one that I'm wearing right now, I'm actually wearing both of these, the metallic and the purple. And the purple one is 56 Rock and Purple, and the metal one is 105. I don't remember the name, but the number is 105. And I put the Rock and Purple first, and then I put the metallic like in the middle for that pop, like little glowiness to it. And they feel so nice on the lips, like it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. Shop at Sephora and you got your birthday gift, then you probably have this blush, because anyone I talk to, I think mostly everyone has this blush because it came with the birthday gift. But this color is so nice. Like it's a perfect everyday color, like a nice soft pink, like how your skin would naturally blush. Well, at least on my skin tone. I'm wearing it today and it looks really nice, like I always wear it. And the cool thing about these blushes is that, I don't know, for me, it doesn't hit pan as fast. So that's it for the makeup, but now into fragrance. This next one is my all-time favorite perfume. Like this is my scent. Don't go buy this one because it's my scent. But it's the Marc Jacobs Splash Pear. The scent family is fresh and the scent type is fruits and citrus. The key notes are lemon, musk, and pear, and I really smell the pear. Oh my word. And this smells so good. Like, okay, I use very little, but you only need a little bit. And it's an eau de toilette, and it lasts a long time for an eau de toilette. When I put it on, like I still smell it throughout the day. And it's weird because in reviews I see some people say that it doesn't last on them, which I know everyone's skin is different, but on me it lasts all day and I smell it. Like even when you think it's gone, you get hints throughout the day. And that's pretty good because that's probably because you got used to it, but I still smell it, and then I think other people still smell it. I like a lot of fragrance scents, but I'm really picky on what I would wear. The next fragrance is also my favorite, but this is more like a different scent. Like the other one was fruity and fresh. The other one was fruity and fresh, but my other favorite is more like spicy and like mysterious. And that is the Elizabeth & James Nirvana Amethyst. Honeysuckle, cedar, and tobacco. It smells so different on my skin. Like the sweeter notes come out in it, and the tobacco-y smell is like less. It's more like a sweet and spicy smell, and the bottle is so pretty. Okay, last product for this video, and that's also a fragrance, is the California Clementine by Atelier Cologne. This one is also a fresh fruity smell like the Marc Jacobs Pear, but this one has more of like that orangey type of smell. So I'll read you the notes that it has in it. It has clementine, mandarin, juniper berries, star anise, Sichuan pepper. It has basil, vetiver, sandalwood, and cypress. If you go to Sephora and you know that they have like brand representatives, if your Sephora does that and they have an Atelier brand representative, they'll usually come in with this leather stamper type of thing, and they'll give you like a little case and they'll stamp it for you with whatever letters or words you want on it. And I got Crafty Amy. They'll even give you, so like say you buy a full-size bottle, like they're 3.4, they'll give you a small one with any scent you want inside for free. So those are my Sephora favorites. I really hope you enjoyed watching me talk about all my favorite things. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at Crafty Amy. And most of you know who follow me. I post like some cool stories. Like I always have fun in the stories section posting cool things, and I really want to make my Instagram colorful, like colorful walls and just everything colorful. So whenever you look on my Instagram, I just want it to be colors everywhere. So check it out, check out my pictures, follow me so you can see my updates on my stories, like stuff I'm working on, or even just like cooking and all that good stuff. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, I make sewing and DIY videos. So if you want to make cool things and learn how to sew, make sure to press subscribe and to press the little bell button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed this beauty favorites video, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.